Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So we're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do. So you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do, you just click here on options here. When you just click here on options, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on audio here. When you just click here on audio, it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to noise separations here. You just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean noise separations disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.